Hello guys and welcome back. This is Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to purchase a virtual private server web hosting on Harmonweb. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Harmonweb client area. As you can see, I'm logged into mine. So under the menu, come under services, then click on other new services. Then you'll be given a list of services offered by Harmonweb, as you can see. So come under the category section and click on cloud server. Here you'll be able to see the available servers and the pricing plans. We have three plans available, so you can choose the preferred configuration that you need. Okay, so I'll be going with the first one for this video. Click on the order now button. Then once you are here is to configure your server, your VPS hosting. Okay, so I'll be choosing a 12-month pricing plan. I'll scroll down, configure your server. Input your server name. I'll be using server at Harmonweb. Your password. Then the S prefix. I'm using SH1 and SH2. So for backup, select if you need backup and the particular amount of gig backup that you need. For I'll be choosing this 500 gig backup. Now the control panel you need, I'll be using the cPanel Cloud Admin for this video. You can pick anyone preferably to you. So server management. Do you want to manage your server by yourself? If yes, then select the self-managed or unmanaged. But if you want your server to be fully managed by the Harmonweb team, select the fully managed. The number of IPs. You can purchase more IPs or go with one IP, one free IP which comes with your plan. So I'll be choosing 3 IPs for this. Then next is select your operating system for your virtual private server. So I'll be using the Alma Linux. You can choose from the available options available. So I'll be choosing the Alma Linux. Then available add-ons, I don't need this as your services comes with a free SSL certificate. So next now is to click on continue. You'll be directed to your cart where you'll be able to check out the configurable options that you selected, and if you need to edit you can do that. Okay, here you can see what you choose: backup, control panel, server management, number of IPs. We're good to go. Then next now you need to click on the checkout button so you can make your payment and get your server ready. So now if you are a new user, you need to first of all create an account on Harmonweb. But I'm an existing user, so I'll be choosing my billing details, which I've selected one. Then you scroll down to select which of the payment methods you want to use. Can you see the total due 771,200 naira? That is what you are making. That's the amount you are going to make the payment for. Okay. So I'll be choosing this, which is the pay stack, and this is Flutterwave, but I prefer pay stack more. So I'll choose this. Then click on I have read and agree to the terms of service. Make sure you check through the terms of service to make sure you are not or you are in agreement to our terms of service before proceeding to purchase or make payment. Okay, read through. So I've done that already. Click on the I'm not a robot, verify you are a human. Okay, done. And if you need any additional notes to the person who's going to install or configure your server for you, enter it here and that will be done for you. Then once you click on the complete order button, an invoice is automatically generated to your account. So once the invoice has been generated, then you can make your payment successfully. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.